Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. I'm delighted to announce the release of my new cookbook, the Thai cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. If you're kind enough to purchase my book, I'm going to enter you into a lottery system. I'm going to give back to you, and this is what you're going to win. Giveaways from my chef shop, cash prizes on a wonderful vacation here on the exotic island of Saint Lucia in the Caribbean. So stay tuned for that, folks. I'm Ian Sherlock, and this is my cookbook. Here's how it works. When you're kind enough to purchase my book, I'll enter you into my Facebook lottery system, right? So once I get 100 purchases, I will do my Facebook Live lottery system. So third prize will be anything from my chef shop under the value of $20 US sent to you. Second prize will be anything under $30 US sent to you anywhere in the world. And the first prize will be anything under 50 US sorry, anything under. The first prize will be $50 US cash sent to you wherever you are in the world. By purchasing my book, you help me to create a small team around me, right? So you help me to create jobs. So thank you very much for that, right? After that, I'm going to pump it up. Every 500 purchases, I'm going to pump up the prize values and the giveaways. If I can get 10,000 purchases by December 31st, 2018, this is what you're going to get. Third prize, 500 cash US sent to you anywhere in the world. Second prize, $1,000 US cash prize sent to you anywhere in the world. And the first big grand prize is a vacation for two, flown in. I will fly you in, doesn't matter where you are, I'll fly you into the beautiful exotic island of Saint Lucia, and you will stay for 1 week at the wonderful St. James Club. It's an all-inclusive property. So yes, folks, that means the booze, the drinks, the food, it's all on me. So thank you very much. You're doing something for me, I'm doing something for you, right? When you get on the island, I'll be happy to show you around, and we'll do a few bush barbecues, so you also get the best tour guide you can, somebody who actually lives here, right? So recap, purchase the book, send me the receipt, subscribe to my channel, like and share on all my social media. And by doing this, by buying the book, you click on the chef shop icon at the end of the video, not this one, right? So don't forget, folks, subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button here, and click on the chef shop icon to purchase the book. Thank you very much, folks, and bon appetit.